I love this mystery. This might be my favorite of the year, at least for now, but let's get into it. This is the June mystery, and I am so excited because I think that this kit is gorgeous. I love the colors. I love the art. I love everything about it. So let's go ahead and get into it. Let me show you the ultimate first, and let's start with this is no longer available. So if you sign up for mystery whenever spots open up next month, which I will put down below whenever the spots will open, that will be for a completely different theme, but they're always exclusive art. If you're looking for this kit in particular, I would definitely check out the buy sell trade group, which I'll also link down below for y'all. But let's go ahead and get into it. So this is the June mystery, and I am obsessed. I think it's so cute. Let me get it out of the cello so you can see it in its glory. I love the colors. I love the theme. It's very anytime, but I think could also like lean summer. Oh, let me pull out the foil. And then there's also like an extra there. So let me give you a close-up because I am obsessed with this kit. I love the fashion options. I love all of the food because it's all like ice cream, which is just so fun and very summer to me, but I also just kind of is very anytime. I think you could use this for any week, but also could be really cute, like alternative birthday set. I just think it's absolutely adorable and I am obsessed. This is the kit that Kirsten said she's going to be using, I believe at the end of May, and I'm going to be using in June. Both of us didn't show it in our lineups because yeah, it was a surprise, but that's how much we love it is we needed to slip it in as soon as possible. There is a faux gold glitter throughout, which I think this is the first one in a while that we've done the faux glitter in. And then the tall box here has the different ice cream flavors with the like container of cones and then the ice cream sandwich. This just makes me so excited. I love it. I love this blue color with like the pinks and the gold. It's just so pretty, and I hope y'all love it. This is in the like older format. I think July isn't. June and August are the last ones. So this one and August are the last ones in the old format. And then July and then September on is in the new format. So super cute. Love the bottom washi with the sprinkles, and you have the extra fashion box here. This is a really fun double box with like kind of like the, what is it called? Like the container where they keep like all of the ice creams. Oh, it's so pretty. And you have all the different flavors in here, like some macarons, some cherries in there, some cookies. Those could be like little orange slices, different like toppings. It's just, looks so yummy. And then your extra boxes here, you have two more fashion options. You have this little like ice cream cone container, and then this super cute like what are they called, like LED signs. And then I did something different on this bottom washi and made like a gradient, so it's like darker on top and lighter on the bottom, but I think that's gonna be so fun. I'm obsessed with it. I hope that y'all love it too. I'm just like, I don't know, it's just one of my favorite kits, like probably of all time. I think it's the colors. I think that it's a little bit brighter in person than it is on camera, but maybe once I adjust the lighting it won't be too bad. And then there's like an extra which I think comes in both the mini and the ultimate. So it has the ice cream and the different skin tone options, and then you have this fashion option here with another like hair color option with like the blonde with the like pink on the bottom, which is super cute. And then there is also the foil bundle, which is a gold confetti, which matches perfectly. It's not going to take away from the art too much. And if you want to use a different foil, this would work well with other kits too. So this has the 6 full boxes and glitter headers. You get 2 of those, 2 pages of the bougie boxes, the icons and the scripts, and then you have the fancy headers, the deco, the date numbers, and the 15mm strip. But I think this is going to look so pretty with this, and I am obsessed. Let me go through the mini kit here. Pull her out. So you do get the same full box page, the same deco page, the glitter headers, and then this is the mini kit page with all the labels. Then you have the same bottom washi page, and then this page here with the extra boxes. The extra color I forgot to mention is so pretty. You can see it in here. And then the label sampler on the bottom, that is like the freebie sheet. And then you got the extra, which has the hand with the ice cream cone and the fashion option. And then you do get the matte box freebie with the mini kit. So that is everything for this month. I hope y'all love this mystery. Like I said, it's one of my favorites for the year. I'm just in love with this kit. I just think it's so beautiful. And like I said, I will be using it in June because I have no chill when it comes to waiting to using this collection. I think I'm using a lot. of mysteries in June and July. It's like just very, very mystery heavy, and I love it because all of this year's mysteries have been seriously such faves, like all-time faves, not even like just this year, just so good, obsessed. So I hope you like this month's mystery. Again, I will leave whenever spots are open for next month's mystery down below, as well as the Facebook Buy Sell Trade page. If you want to get your hands on this and you are not subscribed, I would definitely check on there. But otherwise, I'll talk to y'all in my next video. Bye.